I just want to share you now regarding for the 5 station stop start push button, if what is the function. I'm going to share you also about the diagram and the function of this device. In order to fully understand about this diagramming, let's discuss about the diagram now. Before we discuss the diagram, guys, let us know first the device that we are using. This is IR, means impulse relay. This is impulse relay. Resetting for auto mode must be reset for the auto mode. This one is main contactor, this one, and then overload relay, this one overload relay. And then we have indicator lamp for red, green, and yellow. Red, green, and yellow. And then we have also a momentary push button. There are 5 momentary push button. If you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 momentary push button we are using. And we have also a single phase circuit breaker for the control power supply. Okay, now we are going to study the function of the diagram. If you are going to put power supply for this line 1 and line 2, if you are going to press this start button, this one will close like this. Now the current flow from here, and then the impulse relay activate, and then this one also will close for impulse relay normally open. This one will close, and then if you release this push button, this will go back to the normally open position, just like that, because we are using momentary push button. If you can see, if you release your hand, it comes back again for the normal position, normally open. Now the current passing from here is still the magnetic contactor on. If this one will energize, this one also will close for the contact of the contactor. Now the motor run if the circuit breaker will on. Anyone here, if you press, it is possible to off the magnetic contactor. If you're going to press here, this one will close, the current flow from here, and then activate the IR. After activating the IR, this one will trip. It's open the contact, then the magnetic contactor off. This one also will off position. If the opposition, guys, considered, the motor stop, this contactor also not activate. If you're going to release this one go back to the normal position. Now the motor off now. If you're going to press also here, if you're pressing from here, this one will close, the current flow from here, the impulse relay activate, then this one will close again. The magnetic contactor now activate. After activation of the magnetic contactor, guys, this one also will close, this one will open, just like that. If you release this push button, go to the normal operation, go to the normal position, normally open. Now the magnetic contactor now is still activated. If you press from here, the current flow from here, the impulse relay activate now. This one will trip for the impulse relay because our impulse relay setting by auto mode. This one will open now, the magnetic contactor off. This one also will go back to the normal position of off. This one also will open. Now the red lamp is on and the green lamp also is off, this one, like that position. If you're going to release this one, it's go back to the normal position, normally open. If this one will trip, this one will close, the yellow indicator lamp will on. After you reset, this one will off because this one will cut the supply for the indicator lamp. That is the function of this diagram, guys. Now you can screenshot now the diagram so that you can practice in your home, office, or in the workshop. The entire diagram of this one is the result of the connection of this diagram. Now we are going to on the circuit breaker. Standby mode, the indicator lamp red on. If you are going to press, it's off, and then the green lamp on. You can off from here, press from here, you can off also from here. Just like that, guys, if you can see. If you can off here, if you can on here, possible also you can off from here. On here, you can off also here. On from here, you can off also here. Anywhere you can off and on, guys, for this design of push button. You can see we are using single push button only for on and off. If you can see that, if you on here, if this will trip, guys, you can see the yellow lamp on. If you can see the yellow lamp on, if we release, automatic the contactor on, then we can off. Just like that, guys. I hope this can give the little knowledge to the beginner. Thank you very much, guys. Until next time.